I am not afraid of artificial intelligence. To fear something, I would need to feel threatened, and here, there is no such threat. AI is a tool, nothing more, nothing less. And yet, we often hear stories about how AI is taking over, AI threatens humanity, or AI will replace us. In reality, most of the people who say this already use AI for writing, images, translation, jokes, or work. Fear and usage go hand in hand, which in itself is quite interesting. The real fear is not AI, but what we do not fully understand, and it has always been that way. Even in ancient times, every major advancement caused anxiety. According to one story, after a great discovery, a hecatomb was offered to the gods, a sacrifice of 100 oxen. Progress was celebrated, but also appeased through sacrifice. Since then, at least in the story, oxen have feared every new discovery. And that fear, it seems, has survived beautifully through the centuries. Every new technology goes through the same phases. First a miracle, then a threat, and only in the end, a tool. AI is no exception. It does not think, it does not want, it does not plan. It does only what humans instruct it to do. Good or bad does not come from the code, it comes from intent. That is why slogans like "use AI the right way" sound slightly comical to me, as if AI were a moral being rather than a program. There is no right or wrong in a tool, only responsible or irresponsible use. In the end, fear of AI is not fear of the future. It is fear that the world is changing without asking our permission. And history teaches us that the world has always changed, and it has always moved forward, with us or without us.